Guhagar, a temple town in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra, proudly sits on the shores of the Arabian Sea. Eminent ancient temples such as Vyadeshwar, Velneshwar, Hedvi and Ganpati Pule exist around its vicinity. The natural beauty of its forts, caves, the roaring sea, harbors and lighthouses spell magic. An upcoming 200 acres project, Lighthouse by Sudhir Manke Group, is all set to enrapture the senses of its residents and visitors by the untouched beauty of Guhagar. It is well connected to major cities like Pune, Mumbai, Chiplun, Kolhapur and Ratnagiri. Guhagar, situated in the surreal background of the hilly terrains up to 100 meters high and dense greenery, is a major attraction to the tourists. Manke Konkan Club and Hotel will offer various luxuries for the perfect stay option for holidaying. The Wellness Center at Manke Lighthouse will allow residents to release stress and refresh their senses by utilizing the special services like spa, preventive therapies, Ayurveda and Panchakarma. Adventure sports and boat rides will be also available at Entertainment Hub near Marina. Palche Jetty is the exclusive transport facility provided only by Manke's Project Lighthouse to own a yacht and travel in comfort with the luxurious experience of sailing in the sea. For a faster ride, Manke and Manke Aviation will provide the air transport facility and a helipad for private helicopter to meet convenience with extravagant luxury. Project Lighthouse will have perfect combination of street shopping and food mall to fulfill the needs and wants of residents and tourists. Delicious seafood and Konkan food is the speciality of Guhagar, bringing new experience to taste buds. The major highlights of this project are the Srimanta Lake, which is the historical lake of the Peshwas, and the Guhagar Beach, a wide expanse of soft white sand which serves as a weekend holiday destination not just for tourists but locals too. The lighthouse, being the tallest point near the shore, will be the pinnacle to watch the waves meet the blue skies at the horizon. It will also house an Ashtavinayak temple on the ground floor, plus 2 museums at 2 different levels. Manke Lighthouse offers home amidst the serenity, which will be thoughtfully designed homes to appeal to the aesthetic senses of the inhabitants. Manke Lighthouse, venturing into the hospitality, tourism, entertainment and residential arena, is the perfect combination of privacy and fun-filled adventure for small investors and big enjoyment.